In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Subscript in Google Docs. If you need to format things like chemical formulas, mathematical expressions, footnote-style text, or any characters that should appear slightly below the normal line of text, Google Docs makes it very simple. Once you know where the option is, you can apply Subscript in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Google Doc and open the document where you want to make the change. Make sure you're in the right place in the document before moving on, especially if you're editing a longer file with multiple sections. Next, click on the word or words you want to subscript and highlight them. This step is important because Google Docs needs to know exactly which text you want to format. You can click and drag your cursor across the text, or if it's only one character or number, just select that specific part carefully. For example, if you're typing something like H2O and only want the 2 to appear as subscript, be sure to highlight only the number rather than the whole word. Once your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains several text formatting options beyond the basic toolbar, so it's a useful place to know when you need more advanced styling. After clicking Format, hover over Text in the drop-down menu. A side menu will appear with additional formatting choices related specifically to text appearance. Take your time here and make sure you're in the text submenu because that's where the Subscript option is located. Then click on Subscript. As soon as you do, the selected text will shift slightly downward and appear smaller, which indicates that the formatting has been applied successfully. That's all it takes. If the result doesn't look right, double check that you selected the correct text before applying the format. This is especially helpful when working with formulas or abbreviations where only part of the text should be lowered. And that's how to type Subscript in Google Docs. It's a quick formatting tool, but it can make a big difference in keeping your document accurate and professional looking. Once you've used it a couple of times, it becomes a very easy part of your workflow.